Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to generate AI avatars for Instagram profile picture. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to generate AI avatar for Instagram profile pictures, you can simply go to your Instagram application, and in the message you can simply search for Meta AI in the chats. Now you can simply type in the prompt imagine me. So once you have done this, you can simply describe your avatar and you will get it on your screen. So this will help you generate like images if it is available on your country or region. So you can simply generate the image and simply upload it as a profile picture, or you can also use third-party apps like Canva or Midjourney to simply make or create an AI avatar, and you can save it in JPG or PNG and use it as your Instagram profile pictures. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.